Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm early on time. My name is Chris. I unbox and review budget watches. Today I am rocking my Pagani design Rolex Daytona homage. Classy. and exciting video for you today. This is the first collaboration I've ever done. Well, I guess technically the second with David Schwartz. His channel is David Schwartz Jr. And I really am excited about this one. It's the first time this brand of watch has appeared on the channel. I'll let you know how this is all working out, but I'm doing the unboxing of this watch. David, the owner of this watch, is going to be doing the full review in a couple of weeks' time. I invite you to go check his channel out. You can check it out right there. Subscribe to his channel if you haven't done so yet already. I'm sure a good number of you who subscribe to me are subscribed to him since he has a bit of a larger channel. And check out the conversation. The very first Beyond the Watch that I've ever done was with David. So what do we have in this box? We have a Swiss-made automatic watch. Again, it's a brand that hasn't appeared on the channel. I'll explain what this one's all about in just a minute. Alright guys, so here is the deal. David did a watch trade with another follower of his on Instagram, probably on YouTube as well. He traded some of his watches for this watch, and since the person that he did the watch trade with lived in Canada, David thought, wouldn't it be cool if it got sent to Chris first and he got a chance to have a look at it? And so thanks, David, for that. That's it's awesome. Really glad to do that. And so in this unboxing, I'm just going to do an unboxing of this one. This one won't be reviewed by me. It'll be reviewed by David in a couple of weeks' time on his channel. But I will try and be as detailed in the unboxing as I can be. Just give you my impressions of the watch, get some nice close-ups of the watch, mainly for David because he's anxiously looking forward to getting this one himself. And so thanks again, David, for this opportunity to work with you and to get another watch in for an unboxing, kind of a highlight. And yeah, so with that, let's turn this camera around and let's take a look at what's in this box. Okay, so here it is, guys. This is a Zodiac. And I will try and throw in the shot of the watch on the website as well. So this is a very hefty box. I can say that it's substantial. Did come with this just simple outer sleeve box. My guess would be that the model number is that PKG Z01017. And so we'll just put that aside. So we'll open up this box, and oh, it's a box within a box. So let's just pull this out. The watch will be in here, and we'll see what we get here. So it looks like there's going to be Zodiac booklet, which is nice. Okay, let's just set this aside. We want to get to the watch. Here we go. So here it comes, guys. Here is the watch, and this is a Zodiac Seawolf. So it comes on this nice nice pillow. Let's just see what else is inside here. Looks like you have some extra links, a couple of extra links in that bag, David. A bunch of the plastic that used to be on the watch is on the bottom of there. And let's get that Zodiac hang tag out and let's see if it's got the model number on it. So here it is. Yeah, the Z09213. You can see the retail price of this watch is $1,295. So nice watch. All right, here it is. Oh wow, is this ever nice? So let's just get this off of the pillow here. Let's just see what we got here. Nice fold over clasp. Looks like a friction clasp. Yeah. So no no security pushers, but a really nice milled clasp. Friction clasp. Let's just start with that. So presses down and a nice fold over with the brand there. So that's Nice. Look at the levels of micro adjust on there. 4 levels, so that's easily longer than one of these links. So that's going to be very nice for getting a nice secure fit. And so it's just a regular micro adjustment in there, no diver extension or anything. The milled clasp is solid, maybe a slight bit of wiggle there, but not very much at all. Very, very nice. Let's take a look at this case back. Let's zoom in on this case back here. Looks like it's a polished case back on the outside. See if I can get the camera to focus on the case back. Here we go. So we've got Swiss made. This is number 141 out of 500. So this is a limited edition model. 200 meters, 660 feet. Some nice polishing on the outside. Nice radial brushing on the inner part of that. And let's see, what does that say? It's so Super Seawolf inscribed into that radial brushed center there. That's really nice. All right, let's have a look at this dial. And I'm digging this dial, guys. I have to say I'm liking the 12, 3, 6, and 9 in those within those big triangles. Very, very cool. Dauphine style hands on it. You see Swiss made on the bottom there. I'm sure this is a rotating bezel. We'll take a look at that in just a second. Some nice vertical brushing on the side profile of that case. Looks like we're going to be an all brushed case. Tops of the lugs are also brushed. The bracelet, with the exception of just that little sliver at the end perhaps, is all brushed as well. Sides are brushed to match the brushing on the case. Yeah, this is a nice watch. Okay, you've got a nicely branded crown, and we'll get the action on that in just a minute. Oh, look at that. Isn't that awesome? Quick release spring bars. Hey, awesome. Love to see that as well. So David, being the strap monster that he is, I'm sure he's already thinking of a couple of different straps that he would want to wear with this one. This is really, really nice. Let me see if I can get my polishing cloth out. We'll polish off this crystal. Definitely going to be a sapphire crystal on this one. And let me just get my cloth here. So I'm just taking my time on this unboxing because I want David to see, you know, what's going on with this one. So let's zoom in on this dial. Let's get a little bit closer, shall we? And yeah, just have a look. Bit of texture to that dial, as you can see. Very, very nice. We'll unscrew this crown. I'm sure it's a screw down crown. Yeah. And let's just get the hands. Oh, got to get it all the way out. I'll just get the hands out of the way here so we can see this dial nice. No date window. Let's just wind this up. So we got the second hand sweeping there. That's a 8 ticks per second by the looks of it, so 28,800 vibrations per hour. I'm not sure what movement is inside of this, but on the full review video, David, I'm sure will do that. Let's just see if... Okay, it hacks. And nope, there is no ghost position. So no date window, no ghost position, so that's nice. I'll screw that crown back in. Crown engagement is really good on this one. A little tricky to get back in though. There we go. All right, so there it's running. Really, really nice. Yeah, just have a look at the texture on that dial. And let's just see if we can get a bit of a side profile. You can see the 12, the 3, 6, and 9 are definitely applied. It looks like those double batons almost at the teeth at the 5-minute intervals are also, looks like they're applied, but I think that the white teeth marks looks like they're going to be printed on the dial, but their markers in behind them are applied. And you have a nice brush rehout going around the outside. A simple white minute track printed in between the 5-minute markers. This is a nice looking watch. Boy, this is sharp. Let's take a look at this side profile here. Branded crown, vertical brushing again. Take a look at the brushing at the lug. And you can see it follows the brushing of the case. And then, the brushing rather of the bracelet. This vertical brushing kind of, is this vertical brushed as well on the bracelet? Looks like it's vertical brush to match the case, so that's pretty cool. Yeah, have a look, guys. Very, very sharp. What do you guys think of this one? David is going to be doing the full review of this one coming up. Let's just kind of take a look at this bracelet. There might be a little bit of a scuff there. This is not a brand new watch, so yeah, there's a little bit of a scuff on top. Let's see if that'll polish it out. Here we go. Don't think so. Looks like a scratch, but let's just see here. Yeah, so there's a little bit of wear on this bracelet. A little bit of scuff marks from the previous owner. Nice to see female end links. So the lug to lug is going to be true. And there's this side of the bracelet. And then, of course, we have this really nice friction clasp. Nice security fold-over lock with the Zodiac emblem branded onto it. A little bit of scuff marks on there, which are expected for a used piece, but that dial is looking really, really sharp. So David, this is definitely a nice looking watch. I'll let David do all of the specifications for it. I will leave a link to the website. You guys can check that out. Take a look at the website and read some more information there if you want about this watch. But boy, is this ever nice. Really, really nice. Let's have a listen for this bezel here. Really distinct clicks. Absolutely no back play. Very, very nice. Action on it is wonderful. Grip is really, really nice. There's some nice coin edge knurling on that bezel. And yeah, just have a listen. Action is fantastic. Very, very nice. And let's see if it lines up. Oh, I might have overturned it. Doing this on camera is a little bit trickier. And it looks like it lines up really, really good. Awesome. Nice action on the bezel. Really, really distinct clicks on it. Zero back play. No movement at all. Yeah, this is a well-made watch. That is for sure very, very nice indeed. You know what we're going to need is a bit of a lume shot. Okay, and here is the lume, and obviously you can see that this lume is different than maybe you would normally expect. It's not blue, it's not green, it's got an orange color to it. I am not sure what kind of lume this is. I'll let David take care of that for the review, but very interesting indeed. And I wonder how long this lume is going to last. It's not overly in-your-face bright when you first charge it up. So, yeah, it'll be interesting to hear back from David just how good this lume is and what it is. All right, and here is what it looks like on my 7.5-inch wrist. And this is definitely a sharp-looking watch. Not overly thick either, hugs the wrist with that downturn on the lugs quite nicely. That is a sharp, sharp looking watch. Congrats on picking up this piece, David. So there it is, the Zodiac Super Seawolf, and this is a very, very nice dive watch indeed. Really nicely proportioned too for a diver. You can maybe even call this a dress diver even. I think it's like a 39.5 40 mil by 20, and so it's not an overly big watch, as you can see. Has just the right amount of wrist presence, and boy, that black dial is absolutely gorgeous, and I do love those large triangle indices with the 12, 3, 6, and 9 in it. Really, really cool watch. Let me know what you guys think of this one. And please stay tuned. In a couple of weeks' time, go over to David Schwartz's channel, subscribe to it, and I'm going to be putting this in the mail for him tomorrow. And he'll be doing the full review of this watch. He'll cover all of the specifications. Hopefully he'll find out a little bit more about the movement that's in the watch. It just simply says automatic on the website without any specificity as to what automatic watch is in here. It is a high beat automatic, though. That I can tell right off the hop by looking at the seconds hand sweeping on the dial. But at any rate, David will be doing a full review of this one in a couple weeks' time. Thanks again, pal, for letting me have some just a quick hands-on experience with this Zodiac Super Seawolf. It is a great looking piece. Remember, whenever you leave your house, guys, you must have a great looking piece to wear on your wrist, like this Zodiac Super Seawolf. And remember, wherever you're going, you need to get there on time. God bless you guys. Let me know in the comments what you think, and we'll see you in the next video.